Hi, my name is Bruce Shipley. I am the VOTEC welding instructor here at the Southern Fulton High School. We have a lot of students come in that are brand new to welding, and that's perfectly fine. A little bit about myself. I'm a self-taught, state-certified welder. I've been welding for probably 25, 30 years or so. I really enjoy welding, and I'd like to pass that information on to any student that would like to come to the class and learn a trade. The basic welding positions of the weld shop that we will learn are your normal welding positions: horizontal, vertical, overhead. We don't get too much into downhill beads because we're not into the less penetratable beads. They will learn these processes in MIG, TIG, stick, and flux core. Out in the industry, there are several places in this area that are looking for welders that are educated to do the job as soon as they come out of school. And my job is to educate them so they walk straight into the work industry, ready to go to work. So in closing, if working with your hands and picking up a trade that will always help you out in the industry, feel free to join the Southern Fulton Welding Shop from VOTEC, and I'll be more than glad to teach you the tricks of the trade.
Hi, my name is Don. I'm a third year here at the Southern Fulton Welding Program. And my plans in the future are to hopefully attend Triangle Tech Welding Program. I've learned a lot here at the Southern Fulton Welding Tech, and I encourage anyone who is looking to pursue a career in welding to attend here. Mr. Shipley is a great welding instructor.